Lady Rollers. Mungo Joey, a blast from the past. It's 7 after 9. Hi there, this is Reg Lindsay reminding you that you're on 2DU Dubbo and you're listening to the best of music with my good friend Peter Hale. Oh, thank you, Reggie boy. This is Conjure Epstein, star of Mykonos. Oh, it's a beauty. Conjure Epstein, the star of Mykonos.
Cup pants for guys and gals. Zato Zeds, Amco Bogarts and dress-ups. Levi Harrisons, in synthetics, woolens and cottons.
He's sold over 30 million records. Also, you'll hear their full biography. Both visits 10 till midnight Thursday in the Wax Museum. Another hit on 2DU.
That's tonight. There's me old mate Donny Rowe. Once in my life. Rockin' on.
Someone who needs me. Someone who needs me. Oh, not you, girl. Someone who needs me.
Stevie Wonder's big hit song, won an award for him too. That's Normie Rowe there, and for Once in My Life. And you can hear some of the interview I had tonight with Normie Rowe on Radio Player Channel tomorrow afternoon at 4:30. You're on the John Davison Show. This is Percolate from out of the UK. Dubbo looking for a maximum temperature tomorrow of 17 degrees.
In U-neck, V-neck, polo and crew neck. Twin sets. These look good. And they're all in plaids, argyles and geometric patterns. See them all now for the long winter months ahead at John Davison's Menswear, Macquarie Street, Dubbo.
I am Pegasus, my name is Horse.
This is Ross Ryan, and you're listening to the Peter Hale Show on 2DU. Rockin' on the John Davison Show. The song is going out with love and kisses to Naomi Andrews. From me, Johnny Farnham. You are the sunshine of my life. Johnny Farnham.
The sunshine of my life. Good music.
Hello. This is Ian McRae, 9:20. The John Davison Show. Middle of the road. That's Sole Sole, Solid Gold. That's 9:24. 2DU. Digby Richards.
This is Smiley Powerful Percussion. You're listening to the best of music with Peter Hale.
And grooving along on the Thursday night, 30th of June, the Monkeys, Solid Gold. A little bit of me, a little bit of you too, on a Thursday night.
Hello everyone, this is your eyewitness news reporter with all the news that is news across the nation. And the scene of the